about to fix some simple pancakes. I have a request from my grandson and granddaughter next door. They want pancakes for breakfast. And my little grandson his looks can be a little bit intimidating. When he say he wants something, and we call him Bro Bear. All right, we're about to get his breakfast started before he get here. And here we go. I have some sausage, bacon, eggs, and I'm about to start my pancakes. Watch me. All right, when I was growing up, we always had homemade pancakes. So now, pancakes out of the box seems a little funny to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use 2 cups of the Pioneer Bacon Mix. And I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of just regular flour to throw off that bought pancake mix taste. I like homemade. All right, here we go. All right, and then I'm going to put me a little bit over a 1/2 cup of regular flour. I have my milk. And I have my egg. All right, and I added me an egg, some milk, and a tablespoon of sugar. All right, and while I'm going to let this sit, I'm about to get started on my homemade syrup. And my syrup consists of a cup of sugar and almost a cup of water. All right, here we go. All right, now that my syrup is cooking on the back eye, I have my pancakes ready. I put me about a tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to put me a tablespoon of Crisco. And I like using butter and Crisco to start. I'm going to get this heated up, and I'm going to put that in my pancakes mix. And I'm going to put this mixture in my pancake mix while it's warm, and then I'm going to add my pancakes. All right, I'm going to cut my fire down a little bit. I'm going to put it on medium low. And I'm going to add some butter on top of each one of these, so when I turn them over, they'll have a little butter on them. All right. Look like they're about ready. And I'm gonna flip them over. Looking good, looking good. All right. All right, there we have it. Simple, plain, homemade pancakes. And what is homemade pancakes without homemade syrup? You gotta have some homemade syrup with your homemade pancakes. The two just go together. And I'm going to do like my mama and take and put me some butter on here so it can have that buttery taste. Homemade pancakes and homemade syrup. Yes, indeed. Talk about Miss Butterworth. Miss Butterworth she ain't got nothing on me. All right, here we go. And I think my boys are knocking on the door, my grandkids. A little butter on top. And my little taste testers are about to get started. For my eggs, I like to take me a couple of tablespoons of milk and put my eggs in here. Whip them up. And put me a tablespoon of Crisco in here. And then I'm gonna put a tablespoon of butter. And I'm gonna do my eggs. All right, and I declare that makes the eggs fluffier when you put the milk in. That's the way I've always done. And the less you stir, the fluffier your eggs will be. Some people scramble, but I don't. I just move it from side to side. Put my milk in there, stir up my eggs, and put them in the pan. And for some reason, I don't use salt and pepper on my eggs. I just eat them just the way they are. Get a little butter and a little Crisco or grease, whatever. Whatever kind of cooking oil you have. All right, we're about to get these bad boys on a plate. And here we have it, guys. In all of about 30 minutes, we have us some homemade pancakes that's about to go under some homemade syrup. Pancakes and eggs, sausage, bacon. Bon appetit. Let's eat.
Good job, baby.
And here's my little grandson and my granddaughter. And I told you he was a little intimidating because he's so handsome. And she's a cutie. How am I? All right, you ready to eat Momo pancakes? You gonna tell me how they taste? Taste it. Let's see how they taste.
Eat food.
How is that, Amar?
Good.
Good? You like it? Oh, wow.
Eyes up, bro.
Is that good? You like Momo pancakes?
Can we give a thumbs up?
Is that good? All right. You like Momo pancakes? You too, Amar? Oh, you got you some bacon, bro, babe? And a plate fit for a king. How about that?
Hear ye, hear ye.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.